How to design your kitchen online. There are online kitchen design services that enable you to design your kitchen online. Such services enable you to select various components of your kitchen to fit the space you have available, and then have it made up and delivered to you ready for installation. Some firms will also carry out the installation. What are the advantages of an online kitchen design service over simply calling somebody in to do it for you? Cost is one benefit. It is a lot less expensive to do it yourself online than for somebody to come to your home and do what you could do just as easily yourself. Another benefit is that you get exactly what you want, and you can't blame anybody else if it is not to your liking. How is it done? Here is how to design a kitchen online using one of the online kitchen design services offered by some kitchen cabinet manufacturers. Keep in mind that when doing this, your cooker, oven or hob is not included, and neither are washing machines and dishwashers. You must make space for these in your design.